Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to transfer your money from Flutterwave into your bank account in easy way. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about online payment gateway. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing we need to do is to open up our browser, and then we have to head over to our address bar right here. We'll make sure we type in flutterwave.com, then we press enter on our keyboard. Next thing we want to do here is to navigate to sign in right here. We'll click on sign in. Then right here we have to enter our login details such as email address and the password. So I'm going to enter my email address, then I will enter my password. Then next thing I'm going to do after enter my email address and my login password, I click on login. So after a successful login to your Flutterwave dashboard account, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to make a transfer. Then make sure you choose transfer to bank. Then come down below here, make sure you click on start transfer. Then make sure you choose transfer to an individual. Then come down below here, click on start transfer. Then at this point here, you have to come to the top right here. Make sure you select the balance you want to transfer from. So I'm transferring from KES balance. Then you have to enter the amount you want to transfer. So I'm sending 685 Chile. Okay. Then sending 685 Chile, I'm getting 7,512 Naira. The next thing I need to do is to select my bank name from here. So I'm going to type in United Bank for Africa, UBA. So I'm going to select on that. Then I will enter my account number right here. Okay. Next thing I need to do is to make sure that the account also is fetching the account number and the account name is going to be pump up. I can save this as your beneficiary. Then I'll click on confirm transfer. Then you are about to transfer this sum amount of Naira to this account, UBA Bank, with the account number. Click on confirm transfer. Boom, transfer done, successful. Next thing I need to do is to enter the OTP code to complete the transaction. I have to head over to my mail right here. Then I'll go to my inbox. Then I have the new code right here. So here is the new code. I will highlight it. I'll press Ctrl Z to make a copy. I'll go back to dashboard and I'll press Ctrl V to paste and confirm the OTP code. So transfer initially successful, so pending. So in few seconds, this amount here is going to be completely transferred to my bank account. So basically, this is how to transfer your money from Flutterwave to your bank account, step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about online payment gateway. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.